Let's start off muna with the impeachment. No, word war siya. Daming he said, she said, sasagutan pa out of it about flood control issues. Ano ang issues among all of these that really stood out to you that has an impact on the landscape?
Well, makulay talaga ang ating politika, 'yan ang masasabi ko. Yung Senate flicks ay lalong nadadagdagan pa ng iringan, for example ni, spokesperson Claire Castro at ni Senator Amy, yung bangayan ni Senator Lacson at ni Senator Cayetano, and then etong mga patutsadahan ni, nagpatutsada si Congressman Pulong, kay, Secretary Dizon. These are all part of the toxic landscape that we're having, and then ang magiging ano na lang nito epekto sa atin, wala na siguro yatang igugulo pa ang politika natin. Fortunately, people I think are used to it, and that's kind of sad. When people are used to this kind of drama and we become desensitized, then we become either, ano na lang, resigned na sa ganyan talaga ang politika sa Pilipinas, which is kind of dangerous. Because the moment you accept it as given, as nature, as part of our political DNA, then you don't wish for more, for a better thing.
Yeah.
Nasanay na tayo eh.